Hi guys, Ruli is here. Ruli is here. I come from Finland. I'm here in China studying medicine. This is medical university. It's called the Chinese Traditional Medicine University. This is really beautiful. They have lake inside the university. As you can see, it's right there behind my back. And it's so nice. Except the weather. The weather is okay, but the weather is so hot. I'm burning. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Where's Peter?
Peter just find the truly.
He's gone.
Windy, the black one.
Which way? That way? Ah, this is Peter, right? Oh no!
绿色闪电啊，好几块。不是啊，我们是绕过来的呀，他是直接就走了。
Let's have a tour. 你知道？你知道？他去哪儿？这边。
我也想在宿舍，不是在那个。Hi, you guys.
Hi. Hi. 你好。你好吗？
我很好。你好吗？
我很好。我下呀，我很好。我也去。I'm cycling. Yeah. I'm recording video. Yeah. Thank you. What are you doing? What are you doing? 你工作什么？
我在取快递。
取快递？
我不懂英语。
我不明白。
He is deliver his post bag.
Ah, he's a postman.
No. 看着。
Let's catch the postman.
Postman.
Yeah, there's a postman. That one. That guy.
Not a postman.
No. He said that he has a.
No.
He's a student.
He just found his post.
I thought he said that. I'm a postman. I'm like delivering the post.
You like?
He said. So I understood wrong, right? What is there behind the gate? Is there a university?
No, it's not my university. Just outside.
Outside. So if you want to go out, can you go there?
Yeah, maybe if we find a good thing, we just outside. Go outside.
Windy, where are you?
Where are you? Where are you? 他是刚才骑着黄牌骑的，不是。
I have never been in this side.
Yeah, maybe we can put our bike.
So we cannot go out, right?
Limit.
You can go
I
back.
can.
No. Wait, I'm on to orbit.